In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how to open an Uber Eats account in Canada. First, head over to Uber Eats website or download the Uber Eats app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then, on the home page, look for the Sign Up button and click it. Next, you'll need to enter your personal information like your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to use an email you check regularly. After entering your details, create a strong password to secure your account. Once you've set your password, check your email for a verification link from Uber Eats. Click the link to verify your email address. Now that your email is verified, you'll need to set up your payment method. And after that, complete your profile by filling up any additional information such as your delivery preferences and address. And that's it. You now have your Uber Eats account in Canada.